Hey folks, my name is Jambo from Shozu and I'm here to show you something very special today. What we've been working on is the iPhone version of Shozu, which everyone has been waiting for, everyone's been asking about. So now your favorite little touchscreen interface and your favorite Shozu interface are together as one. And Shozu connects all of your online sites all with one little application on your phone, and it's like your online world in your pocket. Your Facebook, Flickr, Foxblog, Google Blogger, almost 50 different sites now. There's more and more coming on all the time, as you know, all from one little interface on your phone. So let me show you how that works. So after you've downloaded Shozu from the iTunes store, this is what it looks like on your home screen. Just really simple little icon there, and every time you need to access it, just hit that button and the world is yours. So when you download Shozu from the iTunes store, this is what it looks like when you start it up. It'll just be a little icon on your home screen. These are the sites that I've already added. These are the ones that I personally use, but you can add whatever you like just by hitting this Add Sites button right here. And you'll get a list of all of our partner sites. We keep updating this all the time. Every time you go there, you'll notice there's something new you can add. And you can just put in your username and password for any of these sites just right on the phone here, and that'll add them into your home screen, and they'll appear back here just like all these ones that I've added. So really straightforward. Add as many as you want. You can add all of them if you like. If you use all of them, you can send to all of them at once if you want, or you can just add 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. Really simple. So this is the home screen in Shozu. This is all of the sites that I've already added using the little Add Sites link down the bottom. And these are the ones that I personally like to use. So I'll show you now how to upload to Flickr. So let me just click that. This is everything that I can do with Flickr. I can interact with my friends and see what they're doing, all that fun stuff. But to upload something, really easy. I just come here and hit Upload Media. Here's my camera roll, but all of my albums will be in here if I've got a whole bunch synced up. Here is a completely horrible photo of myself, which we've just taken, and I'll click on that one and up it pops. On this screen here I can enter captions, descriptions, tags, whatever I want just by clicking on any one of these. Type in whatever you like. That's all going to go up with your picture to Flickr, to wherever, and I'll save that right now, and that'll be part of it. And now I'll just hit this send button, and that is going on its way now. So where it's going, it's not just going to Flickr. I've set up what's called CC sites, so works just like CC on your email. You can have your main site, which is Flickr for me personally, but in the background it's going to my Facebook, it's going to my Vox blog, it's going to all different places, my Google Blogger account, all just with one push, and it's just that simple. So now I want to change my status on Facebook and see what all my friends are doing. So let me click on Facebook. Again, I've got options up the top here, just like I had on Flickr, where I can upload things and it'll go to my CC sites as well. But what I'm worried about this time around is my status, which I'm going to click on right here. And this is my status that I set about 2 minutes ago. I'm about to do a video demo, but now I'm in it, so I can just start typing and change that to whatever I like. And you know, I'm not going to bore you with me trying to navigate a iPhone keyboard, but when I've done that, I just hit send, and that's going to go straight off now to Facebook and alert all my friends that I've changed my status. If I want to see what my friends are up to, I can see here there's a few photos downloading here for my friend Graham over here. My friend's status updates are right here. This is what they're all doing right now. Hopefully there's no risque kind of ones like there usually is in here, so I'll scroll through them really quickly, and you can see, you know, that's their little pictures, all that type of thing. My events, this is what's going on right now. This is the things I've been invited to because I'm just that popular, and of course, to show how popular I really am, the iPhone 3G campout in San Francisco is one of my events, and let's just pretend that I didn't show that. I feel like seeing what everyone is saying about all of my Flickr uploads. So all of the photos I have online, I'm just going to hit Flickr here. I'll go down past all these other things that I can do with Flickr, and I'll go to my comments, And this is everything everyone is saying about me right now. So this is all their comments and the photos that they're commenting on. Let me just show you one of these so you know what it looks like. I can click on that and see what photo they're all talking about, which if I do say so myself is pretty good. And then I'll come down here. This is what one of my friends said about it, and rightly so. It is a gorgeous photo. So I want to write back and tell them how good I think my own photo is, and I shall post a comment. And I can just blah 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 blah, whatever I want, and send that straight back. And that's going to be fantastic. And that's going to appear right on my Flickr account, it's just telling you here. And then that'll appear down here in the conversation, and every time I look at that photo on my phone now, you'll have a full two-way conversation going on around it. I want to see what all of my friends are doing on Flickr, so let me just hit Flickr. And I've subscribed to a few of my friends' feeds here that I think post interesting pictures, so get your act together, everybody else. I'll come down here to this fella who's always posting something good. And this is everything he's sending up, and I can also just click on any of these that I like. This is his most recent one, that's the photo, and these are all the things people are saying about it, all the comments that are on the Flickr website. And I want to get into this conversation as well, so I'm going to hit this little button down here, and I shall post a comment myself, and bloody bloody bloody, he's going to love this one, and then I'm going to hit send. And that's going to go right up to his account. It's just telling me here, you'll be posting a comment, and then it'll appear in the conversation later. And then I'll just be part of the conversation here. It'll also come back down to my phone as well as Flickr. So now I'll show you the basic buttons and functions of Shozu. It's really, really simple. As you can see here, there's like 3 or 4 buttons, nothing major here. Everything else you just see and touch because of this interface. This little one here is the refresh button, just like on your email on the iPhone. That just checks for any updates that might be happening in the background, so your friend's status updates, any comments, and anything else. If I hit this little information button right here, it shows me all the cogs turning in the background. And this is transferring now. I've got 3 photos uploading, and it's going to tell me if there's feeds coming down, all that type of stuff. And you can see that anytime. So let me just hit done there because I'm finished with that. This little thing here is just help, obviously. If I want to change anything here, add or delete information from any of the sites I've already got in my list here, just hit this edit button, just like everything else on the iPhone, and you know, say I'm a bit sick of this site here, for example, I can just delete it if I want, or I can change names and that type of thing. So it just functions like any other iPhone app. Really straightforward.